The blue-throated beta is a small bird renowned for its vibrant plumage, distinguished by its blue throat and high ornamental value. It is hailed as China's most beautiful small bird. Its tail feathers are especially distinctive. The elongated central tail feathers extend from the middle of the tail like the sting of a bee, giving it exceptional recognizability in the wild. Native to Southeast Asian countries. The blue-throated beta is also found in southern China. It prefers open fields and woodlands in low-lying coastal areas and primarily feeds on various bees and insects. Its breeding season runs from May to July, nesting in burrows in the ground and typically laying 4 eggs per clutch. In 2021, it was included in China's list of national key protected wild animals as a Class II protected species.